In Turkey's urban parks, small touches of care are quietly changing the lives of stray animals. Discreetly tucked beside benches, trees, or under eaves, micro-animal closets are being installed. Compact wooden shelves that store essentials like dry pet food, clean water containers, and warm fabric pieces. These tiny storage units are built to blend into the landscape, offering support without drawing attention or cluttering public space. Each closet has 2 or 3 open compartments, shielded from rain and wind. Volunteers and passers-by refill them daily, slipping in kibble, soft rags, or reusable bowls. Some closets are painted by schoolchildren or local artists, while others remain plain and practical, always reliable, always there. The idea is simple. Make it easier for communities to care for the animals they live alongside. Dogs curl up near the shelves on colder nights, and cats quietly perch beside the food trays. In winter, neighbors often add wool scarves, hand towels, or even a note for others. Check today, still full. By keeping the scale small and the design subtle, Turkey has made these closets a natural part of everyday paths. They turn sidewalks into shared ground, where even the smallest paws are remembered and gently supported. Hashtag Animal Closets Turkey, hashtag Street Care Spots, hashtag Shared Urban Space.